Hi all, today I'm going to show you how to make the rock, paper, scissors game, and then we're going to have a game. First of all, you'll need to make a variable called image. You make it by typing in whatever you want. My variable is called image, and press OK. You are then going to put the input is going to be on shake, and then you are going to set the image, and then you're going to go to maths and pick a random number between 1, 0 to 2. So that means every time I shake, my image is going to randomly pick a number 0, 1 or 2. Now I'm going to do some logic loops. I'm going to say if my image is equal to something, so if my image is equal to 2, I am just going to say that that's going to be a paper image, and I'm just going to draw a paper. You could actually fill up the whole LED for paper, it's up to you. Okay, else I'm going to say the same thing, so I might just copy this block. And add another if loop in there, if statement, and put it in here. There it goes. And this one's going to be for 1. This time I'm going to make my image a rock. Else, the last choice, I don't actually have to do any mathematical, logical decisions because it's just the other one. So 2 gets paper, 1 gets rock, and 0 will just automatically get the remainder. So because it's not 1, it's not 2 or it's not 1. Okay, I'm going to attempt to draw a scissors. And there's my code. Let's see if it works. On shake, and there's a paper. On shake, there's a scissors. On shake, there's a rock. Let's see if I can actually play. I've actually downloaded it to a real microbit. Let's see if we can play each other. I'm going to increase my simulator. Okay. Let's see how we go. And scissors, paper, rock. Oh, I got paper. Get it in the camera. Let's do it again. Scissors, paper, rock. If I can find the camera, there you go. It's a scissors, 2 scissors. Okay, one more time. Scissors, paper, rock. Both paper. So you could, if we were with somebody else who had a microbit, we could play each other. But right now I'm playing with the simulator. See how you go.